stock airbox be gone. Absolute trash. Yeet. Yeet. This is undone. Now to find a spacer. It's in another bag. Ha 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 ha. Now we fit. Go, 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 go. Now spacer is fitted. Ta-da! Now I'll put this one down gently. Yeet. Yes. Ta-da! Do-do-do-do. Carefully undo this, remove, and bye-bye. Oh, that all makes a bit more sense now. Remember, nothing goes in well dry. Make sure you lube up first, because then, as if by magic, now we have an assortment of parts. Now, put on a clamp and do up the you stay there. We do up the second spacer. What did I tell you? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice and tweet. Now install the heat shield. Once you line it up correctly, that on there, that on the one at the back. That then should line up to the hole here. Spot on. Here we go. Alley oop. Yeet. And then you just got to do the hole up. Put the clamp, put the hose in the hose, go into the turbocharger. Ooh. Tighten up the hose. Now you take the filter and you slide it on. Now remember, tighten everything up. Because last thing we want is any exposed holes. No one wants an exposed hole. And in just 35 easy steps, you've gone from this to this to this. But what does that actually do? Well, it now means your Abarth sounds like this.